Welcome to the third episode of IKEA Home Stories. Today, we are in Mumbai outside Shaily's apartment, and we are here to give Shaily her dream kitchen. So come, let's have a look at her story.
Hi, I'm Shaily. I'm an interior decorator. I live in Mumbai in a small 1 BHK apartment with my husband and 3 cats. So I grew up in Rajasthan and I like to see a lot of nature around me. That's why I live in a society where there are so many plants. I moved around like 7-8 years back. I thought that there would be a lot of marketing jobs opportunity here in Bombay.
Nowadays it's work from home, so from anyways 8 to 5 though we are in 2 different rooms, our 2 workstations.
So we used to come to the kitchen to have food or to make chai.
And that is the most we get to see each other in the kitchen a lot of times.
वहीं पे मिलते थे हम लोग कि आजा कैंटीन में अभी कुछ बना के खाते हैं. So this is my खाप का घर. Only the kitchen needs to get done.
The main problem is basically there's a lot of stuff in the kitchen.
Every day I use these things, so I need to kneel down and then pick it up. So I need some solution where I can keep these things in a organized way. Problem here is I don't have enough space to dry my utensils. I have a lot of stuff which these plants can't hold, the weight of this stuff. So I got a call from IKEA and they asked me, where are you struggling in your house? So I told them I'm struggling in my kitchen.
We could do that, and we can add shelves to help her to organize her things better in the kitchen.
Yes. We've solved for everything. I really hope she likes it.
Sounds good. I think we have a plan. Let's do this.
Great, so now that we have the design freezed upon, we'll send along a team that can take care of the installation for you.
I love DIYs because when you make something on your own, you have a very personal attachment with that thing and you take care of it a lot.
Perfect.
Yesterday all these people came in and they were doing something in the kitchen, but they've told us that you can't go in the kitchen and you can't have a look at that, and we want it to be a surprise and everything.
Today I can feel the calm around me, so I'm very excited for that. Wow! Yeah. Wow! मैं तो यही रहने वाली हूँ अभी. See, there is cat food. Oh, that's amazing.
Nice.
I knew that IKEA is going to create some magic in my kitchen. Now I'm going to sit there and do everything at least for next 5 days.
Surprise!
Ooh, love it.
John XL solution is a thinner solution which handles all the jars needed for cooking. So all the ingredients come right here. We also have a step stool which caters to accessing all the solutions that are up there and can also cater when she needs to sit down while prepping up. This one is a part of the John XL family, so we can have the dry vegetables here. These are magnetic knife shelves. These are rails that hold on to all the equipments you need. This is the Tilreda portable hub. On the wall, we have a shelf that takes care of all the jars that she'll need when she cooks. We also have plates and dishes. This is a Barrera solution offered by IKEA. When we started designing this kitchen, we segregated areas according to the function. Right here is where the cooking and the preparation happens. In this particular area, we have storage and washing area. And this right here has a lot of options to accommodate the pet food.
अभी हमें पता है शक्कर कहाँ है, फ्रूट्स कहाँ है, प्लांट्स कहाँ है, मेसी नहीं है अभी फिलहाल तो। भाई ख्वाब का किचन, इससे ज्यादा और क्या ख्वाब है, like this is